How to deposit checks with the First Republic mobile app. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to deposit checks if you were a First Republic customer. Since First Republic now has been acquired by Chase, that means you can use Chase mobile app to deposit checks quickly and securely. Here's how it works. So the first thing you can do is open up your Chase mobile application, and then from there you can just log in with your Chase username and password. From the home screen, you can tap on the deposit checks option, and once you tap on it, you can select an account on Chase where you'd like the money to go. Then make sure that you endorse the back of your check by signing it and writing for mobile deposits only at Chase. Next, you can just use the option to use your phone's camera to snap a clear photo of the front and back of the check. The app will guide you, so just make sure the checks are visible and well lit. After that, enter the check amount, double check your info, and tap deposit. You'll get a confirmation right away. And then what you can do is finally hang on to the physical check for a few days until it fully clears just to be safe. And that's it. Depositing checks with the Chase mobile app is fast, secure, and perfect for former Republic customers. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.